myself, introduction to myself. I'm master. I did my master's from British Worker. So we are going to teach advanced computer history. So before introduction to ACN, Advanced Computer Networks, the prerequisite to learn the subject is computer networks. Prerequisite to learn the subject is computer networks. So generally we study computer networks, LANs, physical devices like LANs, WANs, MANs, hubs, switches, routers, bridges, and gateways. Okay. Generally, we study the computer networks, the LANs, WANs, hubs, switches, and physical topologies of the physical devices. And coming to extension of this computer networks, we will study about the networks. So generally, what is the definition of a network? Network is nothing but sharing of an information from one devices to another devices through some external devices or internal devices like switches and routers. So after this one, we are moving to extension of the basic networks is IP addressing. Right? IP addressing. And extension of this IP addressing, we have studied about protocol stacks. Nothing but internet. Protocol stack is nothing but the layers, top one upwards. Like what are all those things? One is first layer is physical layer, next is data link layer, next is network layer, next is transport layer, next is presentation layer, next is section layer, presentation layer, next transport layer. These are the layers which are known as OSI product, Open System Interconnection Reference Product. And this is an absolute. This protocol stack is an absolute. This is an absolute, and we have moved to the TCP/IP protocol stack. TCP/IP Internet Protocol Stack. And this layer, the first layer in the TCP/IP protocol stack is first layer is physical layer. Next is data link layer. Next is network layer. Next is transport layer. Next is application layer. So this is an application layer. Okay. So these are the protocol stacks. These are the protocol stacks which have been studied the basic of computer networks. The basics of computer networks. And the prerequisite to learn the subject is all these topics has to be exercised, or you have to be going through all these topics. So coming to the advanced computer networks, what are the topics we have to cover? We are going to cover this topic is, first of all, we will study about the internet addressing, networking, internal networking, internal networking, first thing. And next thing we have covered topics in this course is network connections, network addressing. The learning outcomes are nothing but one is internet working and network addressing. And next is we are going to study about routing, how the routing is established, routing and routing algorithms. we are going to study in this advanced computer networks. So that's